What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So a lot of people ask me, what's the best way to get started investing? I'm new to investing and all I'm doing is just putting money into GameStop. And I don't know if I really have a ton of money to do so. What's the best way to really get started? What platform do I use? Well, I wanted to break down one great way, amazing way to get started investing. And the funny thing is, you don't physically have to use your own money. So before I get started, please hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Sign up for that platform. That is a good platform. Great mobile platform and online platform. But some people ask me, they'll say, hey, you seem knowledgeable. How do you get started investing? What do I do? I don't even have the money. How do I get to this point to where I can invest something in the stock market, whether it's a lower price stock or a higher price stock? How do I get in there? I understand that you cannot justify spending $250 on like shares of stock because no one wants to buy one share of like a $5 stock. You want to buy multiple shares, have that growth, continue to grow your account and go from there. So what if I told you that you can start investing without any money? You're probably asking yourself, how does that even make sense? How can you invest without any money? Well, it's not any money. You're using money that's not yours, but was given to you, if that makes sense. So enough dancing around the answer here. The main way that you would do that is with the Fidelity credit card. If you're not familiar with the Fidelity credit card, this card is a phenomenal card that offers you 2% cash back on every purchase. Everything that you buy that you can use a credit card for will give you 2% on your purchases. And it also gives you a welcome bonus, but I'm not talking about that right now. You can also apply that to, the money that you would use in your account. But the good thing about this card is that it automatically can invest or automatically can put that money into your brokerage account, which would be Fidelity. This 2%, if you spend $1,000 to $2,000 per month on like credit card charges, maybe like you have a gas bill, maybe you have an electric bill, maybe you have a phone bill, cable, all of those other things, and it equals up to $2,000. That can give you $200 to $400 in 10 months, which means you can invest that $400 in a 10-month span and be able to put it into different stocks here and there. Now, if you have higher bills, maybe $4,000, basically double that $400. You'll have $800 in a 10-month span. This means that you're physically not using your own money in order to invest. You're using the money that was given to you by the form of cash back. You would normally spend on those bills every single month, but you're not getting anything in return. But if you use the Fidelity card, now you're spending the same amount of money while getting 2% back, which means that 2% goes right into your investment account where you can invest it in whatever you want. Maybe it can go into AMC or whatever. So all you have to do is commit to using the Fidelity credit card and the Fidelity platform, and you'll have 2% that you can play with every single month. Now, I know that may not seem like a lot, but that will add up as you start to add that 2% plus adding whatever else you wanted to add into it. So let me know what you think of this. Do you think the Fidelity card will give you that opportunity? Are you going to take up this opportunity? I don't have any like referral links for the Fidelity credit card. I don't have it. I have the Citi Double Cash card, which I end up doing basically the same thing with. The only thing is that Citi will give me a little bit more rewards as I start to transfer things, but that's above everyone's head there unless you really care about credit cards. So again, let me know what you think about the Fidelity credit card. Do you believe that this is the best way to get started, by using money that's not yours? There's also methods to where you can open up bank accounts. And if you open up your bank account and get paid to have a certain amount of money in there, maybe $200, $300, you can use that money to invest. That's the best way to get started, is with somebody else's money. If you get started with Webull down below, the link in the description will give you 4 free stocks. That's free stocks that you could start investing with. And once that clears, you can take that money out and invest that into any area that you want. But that's my video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more videos just like this one. Also, again, check out some of the links down below, the credit card links, Webull, my store. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next video.